Have you ever spent the night outside at minus 30 degrees Celsius, cuddled up around a campfire? Yeah, me neither. Wish me luck. I think I found home for tonight. It's expected to go down to minus 30 tonight with the windshield. So really what I have to do in the next 2 hours before the sunset is make sure I make myself a shelter, because I didn't bring any shelter, collect firewood to last me all night long, so I can, so I can stay nice and warm, and cook dinner. But that I can do in the dark. But really before the sunset, it's all about making that shelter and setting myself up so I'm nice and comfortable. So let's get to work. There's not a whole lot of time left, and I need to collect a lot and process a lot of firewood. So I think for now I'll leave the shelter as is, and I'm gonna start processing some wood. It's what time is it? 3:42, and it's already well below, probably minus 23, I would say. And I'm getting pretty cold already. It's way too early to start the fire, but it's too chilly to not move. I'm pretty tired though. This is a lot of work. Holy cow. Doesn't look like much, but it is a lot of work. So what I told myself is I was going to go another hour of collecting wood to make sure I have plenty of wood. I have no idea how much wood I have in terms of like how long it's going to last me. It's my first time doing this. There we go. All right, break. Union break. Oh. Whew. Come on. No, no. You think I can still do it? Come on. Come on. There we go. Here we go. No! I'm so cold. Here we go. Go! I don't know if it's because I'm old, but I actually get excited about warm water now. No tea, just warm water. And a nice clear night. It's gonna be time to start cooking. Oh, this feels nice. Moment of truth. Ooh, this looks good. It's feast time. Bon appétit. Oh yeah. Oh. Let's see how that meat looks. Oh yeah. Ooh. Did I put too much cayenne pepper on? Let's go. I was so hungry. Well, the temperature is certainly creeping down. I had the thermometer out there and it was minus 25. So by the time 4 a.m. comes around, I think we'll reach our minus 30 pretty easily. I'm super impressed with this fire though. Like, this long fire works really well. It's significantly warmer in here actually, in this shelter. The one thing I'm worried about is that I do have a good amount of firewood left, so I'll be burning this all night long. But what if I run out of fire, or what if I run out of wood? How much is the fire keeping me warm right now? Actually, I'm thinking quite a bit. I don't know if I'll be able to see much of a difference on the thermometer, but I think I'm just gonna crawl into bed, listen to a little bit of a podcast or something, and fall asleep. If anything eventful happens, I'll catch up with you guys. It's 10 o'clock, and yeah, I won't have enough wood to make it through the night. And I don't necessarily know that I need the wood, but God, it makes a big difference. So there, you know, the beauty about coming on Crown land where you're not on established campsites is there's wood everywhere, and those iron trees have fallen everywhere, dead standing. So I brought a few more. I'm going to cut them up, line them up, because this long fire works really well. And it is cold. I'm just like wearing my mid layer right now because I'm moving so much. I don't want to sweat too much. So let's get to work. You know, it's minus 25 outside earlier when we were looking. And God, inside the shelter here, plus 4. Plus 4. I don't know if you'll see it properly, but look at that. Sometimes I have to move it around. Maybe plus 5. Not plus, sorry. -4, -5. Instead of minus 25 out there. Like this shelter here, like it's nothing special, but with the fire, I guess it traps enough heat. I'm very happy with that. Now, good night. Good morning. I did it. I survived. Had a pretty good sleep considering, well, however good of a sleep you can get if you have to wake up every hour and a half to stoke the fire. I didn't run out of wood. I actually had enough firewood with all the extra wood I got last night. I'm very happy I did this. Very, very happy. This was super fun. There's something to be said about, you know, sleeping at minus 30 outside or minus 28 wrapped around or cuddled up around a campfire. It's 6 o'clock. The sun won't come out for another probably half hour to an hour. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace.